Okay, so this video is going to be about, not a normal topic, but on something about lighting. Just doing YouTube and just generally liking cameras and liking making videos. I've been wanting a ring light for quite a long time and they've always been expensive. So when I finished final year of uni, I decided I was going to build a ring light. So I need something to compare it to for a similar cost. So I got this, expecting it to be absolute garbage. But to my surprise, it wasn't anywhere near as bad as I was expecting it to be. So this is just going to be a little review of what, like, the lights you're seeing now are two big soft boxes. And in a minute I'm going to switch to this light so you can see the comparison of what it's going to look like. I just think for people starting out, this would cost £6.95, so £7 let's say, which is more than like capable of anyone of getting, especially if you're just starting out. It's a really good price. You saw nothing. Okay, so this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a thing to put on a tripod that has a screw so you can change the position of it. Yeah, okay. And this is the actual light itself, which plugs in via USB. And even if it plugs in via USB, that's really helpful. It means you can plug it into like a power bank and have it on top of your hot shoe on your camera. Okay, that's how that mounts to that, and this basically mounts the same way to this, like this. Just undo this crappy cable thingy tie thing. Okay, so I'm just going to be plugging this into a power bank. As you can see, it's just a cheap generic one. You have a power button at the bottom, which turns it on. You have different colour options, so this is more like a candle, like orangey colour, and that's a daylight one, and you can have both. And then you have your different intensities that you can turn up and down, just depending on which buttons you're choosing. And I'm now going to switch from showing you with the large soft boxes to just this on its own. Okay, so this is now the ring light on its own. I really like how it looks, because where these two blow it all out, they blow the background out. But now it's only really meets in like actual focus, and I'm about a metre away from the camera. But as you can see, the back's like blurred out, and it just has this nice effect of like dimming the background but bringing me more into context. So if you're starting out YouTube, a light for £6 that does this, I think is a really good price. I guess it's £7, but yeah, a light that's this cheap is really good for how this looks. Especially seeing the fact that it's on a USB, because you can shove the USB in your pocket, shove it on your hot shoe and walk around with it. Even if you had a smaller camera, it's plastic, it weighs absolute bugger all. And at the distance I'm at now, this would be really helpful for someone who's vlogging. This would also be good if you're reviewing something, because I now have the ring light on its own. I have a 50th shutter, my ISO is 200 and I'm at f4.5. And this is the image I'm getting from the ring light alone. I will now swap from the ring light to one of the soft boxes to show you the difference it gets with small items. So as you can see, the softbox creates a lot more light, but my softboxes are about 70 or 80 quid more. Okay, and for the price of it, I'm going to end with this light, because I don't think it can be beaten for the price of it. For £6.95, just under $10, anyone can get it. It's just generally affordable to anyone, and I think it will vastly improve the actual video quality of most videos. Because mainly the problem people have with videos is they don't have the lighting for it. The camera on your phone is good enough under most circumstances. It falls short when you give it low light. But even something like this can actually take that up a notch and give you a nice looking quality to your video. So, if you want it, I'm going to leave a link in the description to the one I got it from. And I'll lead exactly what it was named on eBay, so if that link goes down you can find another one similar.